All right, we have another new sponsor, and we're so excited to have them with us. We've known these people for a long time, and these people do a great job. It's the Wise Family Farm from Smetana, Texas, from Bryan, Texas. The best eggs in the Brazos Valley. I guarantee if you need eggs, go see Wise Family Farms. That's Harvey and Helen Margaret. They've got 7,000 chickens that are laying up to 8,000 eggs a day. You do the math. Also, they have a quarantine special. They have new cartons that hold up to 56 eggs per carton. You'll have to probably bring a trailer, but they will load them up. Remember, Wise Family Farms, where on Friday nights you can get cracked eggs, half price. They wanted to hear the Marta Polka. This is an old polka I learned from Steve Okoński in Bremont, Texas. And I heard him one time in 1986. He said, right now, we're going to dedicate this next song for Beverly Sławka. And this is called the Marta Polka. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wise Family Farms for all your egg needs.